Hi everyone and welcome to a new Adobe After Effects tutorial. Today I'll show you how to make a cool trick shoot, like Dude Perfect. What you need is a shot where you throw a ping pong ball, and an empty shot. In After Effects, put the empty shot under the shot where you throw the ball. Duplicate the first shot by pressing Ctrl+D, click right on the shot, go to time, and choose freeze frame. Then with the ellipse mask tool, mask the ball out. Pre-compose the shot with the ball. On the shot of you throwing the ball, mask the ball out a few frames better, it should go through the scotch until the end. Don't forget to invert it. Because your empty shot is on the bottom, it will reveal the mask. By using the pan behind tool, place the anchor point in the middle of the ball. Animate the fake ball from the point where the real ball disappears, so that it goes through the scotch. By pulling on the levers of the keyframes, you can adjust the curves of the animation. After you make the ball to move so that you will like it, where the ball goes through the scotch, duplicate the shot with the real ball, freeze frame it, and mask the part of the scotch out, which should be in front of the ball, when it goes through the scotch. Repeat it for every time the ball goes through another scotch, and now we are ready. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.